Bosch Freezer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Bosch freezers that consist of Bosch chest freezer repair, Bosch freezer repair, Bosch French door freezer repair, along with all other Bosch freezer models. If your freezer's not cooling or your freezer's not working, possibly your freezer runs all the time or your freezer's leaking water, maybe your freezer has defrost drain problems or your freezer coils frosting up, your freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.